Hello again, my crafty friends. Welcome back to my channel. This is the second in my 10-minute segment process videos for making this card. And the subscribers, we get her little sketch and supply list and the cutting guide. We left off last time. I had already stamped the inside of the card bases, and I have done the initial matting of the two bigger pieces. And now we are going to go ahead and mat the ovals. And I have my pieces. I have these pieces that I'm going to be putting on the front. The chipboard accents and the puffy stickers. And then I'm going to be stamping using my homemade stamp positioner and cutting this with my die cut machine. All right, let's set the clock. 10 minutes. And I just changed this out to the new full tape runner. This is Flirty Flamingo paper. Probably won't get it perfectly centered. But it's homemade, not Hallmark, right? The pieces I'm going to be using are they probably have a saying on them also, but that's okay. Oh. That was dumb. I did that backwards, but oh well. Again, homemade, not Hallmark. Okay, one more. Let's go ahead and stamp using my stamp positioner. I have a couple of scraps of white. I may do this a couple of times here to get the sentiment I want, the exact sentiments I want, because they're all not going to match the same. Okay, okay, Flirty Flamingo. made this from an Ikea side folding picture frame. Let's use my handy dandy Chucky tool. Okay, let's do that just one more time. Okay, not bad. So let's see, do I have enough room here? Probably not. Let's see. Nope, no, I'm gonna have to use another piece. Let's go ahead and do 2 of them. How are we doing on time? Okay. Oh. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me die cut those out. And they have the little squares here so that you can line it up. And put on some washi to make sure it holds. Okay, I have a Tim Holtz, it's called a Vagabond. It's an electric die cut machine. Saves a lot of pressure on my wrists. So here are this set right here of sentiments. Aren't they cute? Okay, we're going to cut out the second set now. Again, some of these are actually meant for the inside of the card. I mean, in my estimation anyway. So let's go ahead and run these. Okay. There's the second set. And we have a lot to choose from now, so that's good. Some of them are longer than others, and that'll work out fine too. Okay. We are down to just the last little bit here. So let's go ahead and put these on. I'm not actually stamping this. I can get away with it because I'm putting on a sticker. Ordinarily, I'd stamp these first before I put them on. All right, there we go. It's time. Okay, so we just got started putting them on. Okay. All right, so we got 2 sets of these sentiments stamped and cut. So what I don't use here, I can use on something else. And I've got these 3 put on. And so we will continue with that and put the sentiments on also, and then attach everything to the card. Here again is her sketch, and I will be putting her link to get this down in my description box. So thank you again for joining me, and I hope to see you real soon. Bye-bye.